So hi, good morning. So my name is Vijay Anand and this is the video which I am going to upload in YouTube. So today in my class I'm just going to teach you the basics of microcontroller and what is an interrupt. So basics of controller and interrupt. So we shall see that I have prepared a PowerPoint on the controller and interrupt. So with that PowerPoint I will teach you. Okay, so now we shall go to the PowerPoint. So this is the PowerPoint. So what is a microcontroller? So microcontroller is nothing but an integrated chip containing all the components such as microprocessor, RAM, ROM, input output port, timer, counter, etc. So what we have inside a microcontroller, we will have a microprocessor, of course, that only does all the arithmetic and logical functions. And then for storing and retrieving the data we will have RAM, ROM. So RAM is nothing but a temporary memory and ROM is your permanent memory. And apart from that we will be having number of registers, input output ports, timer, counter and everything. So all these components comprising enclosed inside a single chip. So that's nothing but a highly integrated chip. That one is called as a controller. So why do we need a controller? So microcontroller are designed for specific task or to control a particular system. So with microcontroller we can do many automation things. So with microcontroller you can automate a robot, you can automate an arm, and there are many applications. There are lots and lots of applications for microcontrollers. And for example, few examples of 8051 architecture, AVR, big microcontroller, NXP from Philips, ARM, etc. Okay. So now this is the basic block diagram of a microcontroller. So it has a oscillator. So this is an oscillator. Then we have timer, register, special function. SRF is nothing but special function registers, RAM, memory, analog to digital converter, input output ports, ALU. So program counter, stack pointer is not mentioned here. So program counter, etc. We have all these things inside a microcontroller. And now coming to interrupt. So generally interrupt, so if you are doing some job inside a room, suddenly someone knocks, so that's an interrupt for your job. Likewise, when an instruction is being executed, what happens, and suddenly when a user requests another process to do, so suddenly the instruction which is being executed will stop and it will go to the user's instruction, and it will execute that and come back. So suddenly when someone is knocking the door, what will you do? You will just go open the door and answer to them and come back and resume with your work. So the same thing is done by a controller also. So when an instruction is being executed by a controller and when an user requests another process, then this will create a pass in the instruction and executes the user's request. So that is called as an interrupt. So I'm concluding my topic here. Bye.